Na me, Governor Eziokwu.
Finally, Orejigo Ebe Ogechi Njaka no.
You pay.
Zone 13 Anambra State.
Yeah. Focus drive. Look I'm easy. Olilanya is here. Life and direct, Nigeria. Nigerian police. Ono do too much. DSS, una dey too much. Let's go. Would they go now? Kinda aga. Onye bugo many people na southeast. You pay dearly. Dawa. Let's go. If you're in Nigeria or America, let's go. Confirm, captured alive. They go. They no fit try am. They no burn that person for here. They no burn am for here. Olilanya ndị Igbo. Go like this. Jere nwayọ. Made in the front. Bora put ka agba fuel. Okay, top fuel. Otaka Chineke di. Ị na-eme ihe. If you don't do anything, people they ginger you to commit atrocities. You pay for it. I use my life and challenge. You pay for it. Ogechi captured alive. Captured. Ndị Igbo. Hello, hold on. I'll call you. Come outside. Carry your bag. Let's go.
Orejigo, finally, Orejigo, finally, Orejigo.
Please, don't. Hello.
Who are you? Oh, I'm just here now. Kissing who you be? Kissing who you be? Who you be? Who you be? Where is my phone? I need my phone. Hello? I'm not running. I need to talk to my Why would I run? I need to talk to my let me talk to my let me use my phone. Where is the winner? I need to use my phone now. Guy, move on, Onya. Evidence. This person. Now what have you seen? Move this motor, let's go. Many people are this thing. No. Guy, get all this. Look, thank you. Let's go. No, make an leave all this. No, let's go. What kind of blow for no supposed to sharp.
Finally, Ogechi Njaka has been arrested. Orejigo Nishiana. Please subscribe on this new channel and share my video. Thank you and God bless you for watching.